the Air Force, I've pretty much worked on all 4th gen aircraft, from F-16s to F-15s and A-10s. Going from 4th gen to 5th gen, I knew it was going to be a whole lot of difference, and that would be challenging, but yeah, I do everything on the F-35 from nose to tail.
All right, good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everyone.
Real quick before I turn you over to Aaron, be safe, here to JTD, and utilize teamwork.
All right, today we have 5 on the schedule. They are 87, 45, 46, 47, and 02, which is currently sitting spare. Takeoff times 10:15, landing by 11:50.
Every text from the crowd. Nope. All right, let's get it on. Thank you.
So every morning when we go into support, we will get our tools. We generally ask for a launch kit, and a launch kit can get almost any job done. There's many toolboxes in support that correlate with JTD. If you got to change an ejection seat, you got ejection seat toolboxes. So there's very specific toolboxes, and that's basically how we check them out. I thought the F-35 was a cool aircraft. It was growing, so I was growing with it, and knowing all the Marines that came here, I decided to move over. Luke is very unique because it's the largest F-35 training base. It's got, right now, 74 F-35s, and in a few years, we're hoping to ramp up to 144.
As the crew chief of an aircraft, you want to lead the airplane and not let the airplane lead you. You want to make sure you're ahead of the game and not trying to catch up with it, or it will get out of control. With your pre-launch procedures, there's usually nothing more than a look over the aircraft, just clean up the glass, get the aircraft ready for flight, and then we'll be waiting for our assignments. When the pilot comes out, we are the first person they see. I want them to know that while they're on the ground, I have their back. We have intimate knowledge about that aircraft. I can let him know every bump, rattle, squeak, things that's been going on with that airplane and help him through the problems. They know that you take care of it. So I feel pride every time my airplane rolls out of the chocks.
So the pilot comes down, we'll get him in chalks, we'll get him shut down, and we'll start doing inspections on the aircraft, just kind of look it over, make sure everything was good. We'll jump inside the intakes, make sure the engine looks good. We'll wait on the refuel truck, we'll get him in, refueled. At that point, we use a system called analysts. We go in, put in any kind of maintenance that we conducted on the aircraft. And the 5th gen jet is so smart that it can basically tell us what's wrong with it.
I love aircraft. I love maintaining aircraft. It's really unique to still be doing this after 30 years. I worked one of the oldest airframes in the military when I came in, and now I get to work on one of the newest cutting-edge aircraft in the world.